Upon resumption of sitting, counsels to the first, second, and third respondents took turns to make final submissions. Kanu Agabi SAN for the first respondent INEC, Onyechi Ikpeazu SAN for the second respondent Monde Okpewuru, and Emmanuel Okala SAN for the third respondent the All Progressives Congress APC. All counsels submitted that PDP's petition lacked merit and urged the court to dismiss it as indeed it was an academic exercise. They also noted that PDP failed to prove its case polling unit to polling unit, word to word, and local government to local government as provided by law. The counsels further stated that PDP called only 5 polling unit agents out of over 4,000 polling units in the state without presenting a single presiding officer. The senior advocates posited that even if the polling units contested by the petitioners were removed, Governor Okpewulu would still be ahead. They, however, urged that the case be dismissed because there is no concrete evidence with which to come to a conclusion of the allegations by the petitioners. Responding counsel to PDP Ken Mosier said their petition is not about the 765 polling units in question, but the effect it has on the election as a whole. He condemned counsels to the respondents for referring to the case as a mere academic exercise. About not calling polling agent, Mosier said the party considered that true elections took place at the ward level, but the concern is at the coalition level where he claimed the figures changed. He, however, urged the courts to grant the petition. Senator Adams Oshomole, APC State Chairman Jarrett Tenebe, and Joseph Ikpea from Edo Central react to the outcome of the day's proceedings.
In each unit you complain there is a problem, an eyewitness in that unit must be called upon to prove his statement on oath, assuming without conceding that everything those witnesses says in respect of those specific branches were considered to them. You did not vote in those areas. As our counsel rightly said, it's like taking a bucket of water from the ocean. It doesn't affect the level.
We are saying that this matter is dead on arrival and it has no basis. And we are very convinced that APC will win this case. And it is very clear, and I'm very, very, very sure, for wasting the time of everybody and the court, I'm sure there's going to be consequences.
So you can say that they have no case to answer. They have no case to, in any way, as far as we are concerned. Because if they have case, if you prove beyond that, you prove beyond that, that you have a case. You can have a case and you have no case. Like what the comrade said, you can't take an empty bucket to the river to fetch water. If you want to fetch basket, it's like nothing. They're only just wasting the time of the judiciary and with the time of our government, because their case is dead already. They have no case as far as I'm concerned in this matter.
That the percentage of witnesses brought before the court does not determine the overall outcome, as long as the witnesses were able to substantiate the evidence.
From the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Henrietta Momodu, EBS News.